power is there.
My C8 Z06 is finally fixed.
Well, at least temporarily.
For those who don't know, let me start off by telling you the story of exactly what just happened to my car.
In the last video I posted, I noticed that I had a service suspension system warning light going on. And for me, it was super disturbing.
Mainly because once you have a service suspension system light on, it limits your speed to 83 miles per hour.
And because I have over 38,000 miles on this car, my warranty was up.
So I did what any car guy would do, and I went to the dealership. But before I went to the dealership, I actually made a video and showed all of you so I could get answers from you. And guys and girls, thank you so much for all the answers, tips, and tricks, because some of you were correct.
The issue was these right here. These connectors, the mag ride connectors that go into all four corners of the car. But it wasn't the rear one, it was actually the one in the front. We found out the culprit was actually this right front mag ride connector, and it was actually severely compromised. Now you're probably wondering, why does it look like this and why doesn't it look like this anymore? Well, because it was compromised and we had to figure out a quick fix, which the dealership wasn't able to do because it was against their policy to do what we did. But I went to another shop and we were able to get this thing working the way we needed to work. Hopefully, at least just temporarily.
Drum roll for what was actually broke.
It was the pins in the connector. So the pins in the connector were damaged for whatever reason, and because of that, they weren't making proper contact, and that was causing the fault going on, which was also limiting my speed because of it.
So basically what I need to do is one of two options. I either can
replace that whole right front shock, because that you can't just buy that connector alone, and that's like $1,600 just in parts alone.
Or I can hardwire it, bypass all that crap, and save myself a ton of money. I haven't fully decided exactly what direction to go, but I'll figure it out soon. But for right now, it works.
But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is I'm about to mod my car again, and I'm going with something from Solar Performance. As some of you know, Solar Performance makes these unique throttle bodies for the C8 Z06 and also C8 and some other cars too as well. But today I have their 91 millimeter throttle bodies, because there's two of them, and that will be going on my C8 Z06 today. Currently I have their 87 millimeter throttle bodies on the car, which is an upgrade from stock, and definitely felt the nice oomph I got from them. But it's going to be very interesting throwing on the 91 millimeters and feeling that oomph I get from those. I need to feel that last bit of 87 millimeter power before I go on to the bigger ones, and I don't know what 87 feels like anymore. The C8 Z06 has so much power. This naturally aspirated 5.5 liter flat plane crank V8 is just so epic. All right, I'm about to roll up on SC Motorsports. Let's see what they got going on. Let's get these throttle bodies installed. All right, so we just got here to SC Motorsports, their new shop, new location here in Temecula, California. So if you have a sports car, muscle car, anything like that, and you want to have anything done to it, you can come here to these guys. They've always done a great job on basically anything I've pretty much put on this car. But they've been around for a while. Got this new location that just opened up here. A lot more space, a lot more cool stuff going on. Definitely a cool place to come to bring your vehicle to get stuff done if you're in the SoCal area. The unfortunate thing about having the Eventuri is it's blocked off and you can hardly ever get to it, so it gets really dusty. I need to probably wipe this off while we have a chance. I'm gonna wipe off this Eventuri. Look how dusty this thing has gotten. That's what happens when you drive 38,000 miles on a C8 Z. Whew. All right, there we go. A lot more clean. Still got a little bit more cleaning, but definitely a lot better than what it was a moment ago. Yeah, the 87 millimeter, that coupled with the intake and all that stuff. Yeah, you definitely feel the throttle response. I could all the time. I was like, I would think that my throttle controller thing was on when it wasn't.
Oh, okay. Damn, was that?
Yeah, it was very noticeable.
Yeah.
Eventuri air intake on. So I'm gonna give it a quick little wipe down because I never get a chance to do this.
The plate. So we have access to throttle bodies in there.
Yeah. Plate removed. Old throttle bodies right there, the 87 millimeters. This one's a little dirty too as well, so I'm gonna give it a quick little wipe down since I don't get a chance to usually. So this right here is the new throttle body. So it's 91 millimeters. So for those wondering what's the difference, why is it important? Well, the 87 millimeter obviously is smaller. The reason why smaller is not better is because that means 87 total millimeters is the area where the air can flow into the motor to make power. When you increase it to 91 millimeters, all of a sudden you can now have more air which goes into the motor. More air means it can now convert into more power. So the 91 millimeter throttle bodies are now out of the packaging. We're getting them put on. You can look at the old 87 millimeter ones right here. And like I said, more area to flow in air means more potential power. Less air area to flow in air means less power. So that's why the 91 will always make more power than the 87. Now we're still getting this thing buttoned up, but what's your guys' thoughts on other mods I can do with the C8 Z06, right? There's all these different things out there. There's all these different opportunities to make these things even faster, look even better, do all that stuff. What's your thoughts on the next mod that you want me to do with this C8 Z06? So the 91 millimeter throttle bodies are on now, just getting everything finalized, buttoned up, and then after that, yeah, do a reset. So they have a tool that they plug into the OBD2 port, and then they do a reset so that the car can basically relearn this new throttle body. Because when you increase the size to a throttle body that big, a 91 millimeter, there's some relearning for the car to understand the fuel trims, air ratios, all that stuff. They'll do a reset, and then we'll have to go through a little bit of a process to be able to get this thing to read right and properly. What if I went twin turbo on the C8 Z06? I know a lot of people have tried it. I know a lot of people are working on it. A lot of people are trying to crack that code. But what if I did it? On a C8 Z06, I went twin turbo. Would you guys want that? Do you not want it? Or should I just stay NA? Let me know in the comments. All right, so we're plugging in their scan tool into the car so that they can do the reset. This is a very, very expensive tool, and obviously most people at home do not have this. This is why it's advised to go to a shop like SC Motorsports so you can get this done, so they can properly reset everything for you, and then you can have kind of a clean slate to go, because your car has to relearn these mods, especially when you make a big jump to like a 91 millimeter throttle body. Even the intakes, everything, whatever you do to the car that's changing the air fuel ratio, you gotta get that thing reset so that it can work properly and you can go make the horsepower that you want to make.
But I already cleared all the engine ones. So yeah, since I already cleared, I went to, because there's different control units.
Yep.
So there's one for the engine, transmission, brake system, the C-ducts. So the one we cleared up was the engine control module.
The ECU. Yep.
Cool. And then, you know, the body control module, which controls all the lights and everything.
Yep.
Yeah, that's it. I already cleared that one.
Cool. So
So now we just cleared all the stuff on it. Now we just fired it up, letting it idle because it needs to like relearn itself. So my first bit driving on the road won't be very hard. I gotta actually drive it very chill for about 15 miles. But before we do that, it's gonna idle for about like 10 minutes or so, just so once again, the engine control management system has to basically kind of relearn what's this new airflow that I have coming in. It's not stock anymore. It's a bigger, wider throttle body. It's asking for more. It's sucking in more. It's trying to create more power. And now you got to let the car relearn that. It's very, very important that you do that. Don't install this stuff and just run out there and just fly and go do whatever you want to do, because you might cause yourself some issues. Let the car relearn itself. Let it get acclimated to the new mod. Now, while we're sitting here letting this thing idle, I want to let you all know, if you want to get the same throttle bodies as me, the 91mm throttle bodies, you can definitely head to the Solar Performance website, but also make sure that you use the discount code Jesse24. Use that discount code to get your discount for these throttle bodies. If you don't use the code, then you won't get a discount and you'll just be paying more. So just get the discount by using my code. So if you head to Solar Performance's website, use my code, you'll be able to get the same throttle body. You'll be able to have a car just as fast as mine, maybe. But anyways, use the code. Make sure you support, use the code. The link, all that information is in the description below. Make sure you check it out. All right, just pulled out of the shop. That was a very quick install, literally took an hour. So that's a nice thing, obviously done by professionals who've done this a lot. So if you did this in your own garage, then it might take you longer than an hour, maybe 2 or so if you're really good at what you do. And then if you're not good at what you do, then it'll probably take you about 3 or 4 hours. Now that they've done the reset, right, using the tool, they want me to drive home, just basically like very chill, nothing crazy, so don't go getting on it hard. Drive chill for about 15 miles. Literally, like going home is about 15 to 20 miles anyways for me, so it's gonna be a very chill drive. There's a bunch of traffic anyway, so it's not like I can really get on it anyways. But after I do that, then I will, do a small pull, somewhere in a safe area where I can kind of feel it out, accelerate to the speed limit, and feel out the difference with the new 91mm throttle bodies from Solar Performance. All right, so I got home, I let the car, cool down and stuff, did my chill driving, car felt fine during that, went and changed, so I'm about to go work out, but before I work out, I was like, let me do a little bit of testing, just trying to figure out, do I feel the difference? And just even putting around on the street, I definitely feel the difference. It's definitely a change, that's for sure. But what I'm really curious on is, once I drop the hammer, what's gonna happen? Oh my gosh! The power is there! Every single gear shift! Oh my gosh! Wow! Wow. Wow. This car is bonkers. That new mod is bonkers. Getting the 91mm ported throttle body from Solar Performance is bonkers. Definitely worth it. The added extra power is great. I can't wait to get this thing on a dyno at some point and just see how much extra power this car has with the ported throttle bodies, with the intake, with everything. And the exhaust too as well from AWE. I want to know what it's doing. Like this car feels good. It feels solid. Now I am going to the drag strip, so going to the drag strip should be able to help me know where the car is at. Now the unfortunate thing is the drag strip's going to be a little bit warm this weekend. So, am I going to run my fastest times ever? I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's going to be probably the hottest drag day I think I've ran the car in. Oh, actually, no, it's not. One of the hottest. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, this thing is fun. This is fun. Make sure you use the discount code that I gave you all, Jesse24. Use it on Solar Performance's website when you get yours. You'll get some discount, and you're just helping support, you know, a little guy just like me. So, anyways, thank you all for tuning in. That's enough fun for today on this video, and I need to take it to the track now. Wow, I'm loving this. 91mm ported throttle bodies from Solar Performance. A+.